Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy, and if I sound a little bit quiet, it's because I'm a little under the weather right now, but today I just got the Meus, or Meus, I don't know how to say it properly, but the ME8B. It's an 8-channel radio with 2 knobs, a 3-position switch, and 3 momentary switches. Feels pretty legit, pretty solid. It's got a rechargeable battery underneath. Got this nice big LiPo battery. Rechargeable USB-C right here on the side. So yeah, I just need to. It comes with an 8-channel receiver, or that's the one I chose. I need to look at the directions and also put it in my 624, and then set it all up properly, and then I'll see you once that's done. Okay, so after much troubleshooting and setting up, I've got the steering working. It's a little jittery for some reason. I'm gonna have to look through the settings a little more and see if I can figure out why. But then, this is the most important part. There's a little knob here. When I turn the knob, it moves the rear steer, which is exactly what I want. I can now accurately move the rear steer. So yeah, I need to go through some more settings here real quick. See if I can fix the twitchy front servo, because the rear one isn't twitchy, it's nice and smooth. I also need to set endpoints, and I'll be back once that's done. Okay, here we are. I've got the everything set up. It's a little twitchy for some reason. I don't know if that's the transmitter or the receiver or some setting I have yet to find, but it's a little bit moist today, so we'll see how this goes. It'll also be a little bit difficult to drive because I can only use one hand because I have to record with one hand, and yeah. So we're gonna try to go up right here on this muddy section. Right here. We're gonna turn the rear steer. Now we're going to turn it the other way. Then we're going to turn it back to center. We're going to turn the rear steer. We're going to turn it back. We got stuck on a rock there. Let's try this again. Uh-oh. There we go. Nice. We kind of want the rear end to go up the same way the front end went up. Unless we can hook around on top here. Falling off here. Let's turn the rear end so we can readjust over here. Oh, now our diff is stuck in the back. takes a little bit getting used to using the little knob. It is wet, remember that, so the tires aren't gripping super well. And this is actually pretty steep, honestly, for driving on mud. Definitely a challenging line here. I don't even know if this line is possible. I don't think I've ever done this line. Oh, I'm out of focus. It just wants to fall into that little hole over there. Maybe we can get up over there. Use the rear steer to bring it around. Then rear steer, no, the rear steer is pulling it around, which we don't want. Let's reset it over here, and let's try again. I really want to get this line. Looks like a really fun line. I mean, I could try going up over the side over here. Let's try that first and see if that's possible. Come on, man. This is where having a dig function would be nice, where I could lock up the rear tires and just pull the front end around. Oh. I think we just ran out of battery. Did we? Let's see. Nope, it just lost connection to the ESC for some reason. Nah, yep. Battery's definitely dead. Yep, well, let's charge it and then come back. Okay, so I'm actually not going to do any more run footage because I'm going to be getting some more stuff to put on this pretty soon. And there'll be some more run footage of it there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to have all the bells and whistles down below. Hope to see you in the next video.